Alright, you guys, OneManOneCamera. I just had a pizza here at Naked City Pizza located inside the Cortez. Now we're going to take a little walk through the Fremont Street Experience. It's about 3:30 on a Sunday, July 21st, 2019. Let's walk. Thank you. Horizon. Oh, into the heat. Woo. All right, you guys, it's a warm day here in Vegas. It's probably about 100 degrees. I'm just gonna do a stroll through the Fremont Street Experience. Probably take myself home afterwards, hit the shower, and probably lay down, edit these videos, and then go to sleep, perhaps. All right, we're gonna cross 6th Street and Fremont in just a wee bit. So there's the, across is the Commonwealth, which is actually a lovely bar. Hang on a second. All right, there we go. They have a good happy hour, decent pour for your drinks. It's all right. To the right, we have Eureka, relatively new restaurant. Not brand new, but new enough. Never tried it. Prices are at a premium. Take your own chances. Then you got Corduroy, Good Times, American Rock and Roll. Place is called Therapy over here. Vegas Strong. This place they closed down? Oh, this was a place called Red or something. I guess they're gone. Huh. Evil Pie is closed today, which surprised the heck out of me. I wanted a slice of Evil Pie. They were closed. I had also gone to the Pizza Rock, and no one was at the front counter to serve, so I left there, and that's why I was at the Cortez. This is the Fremont, this place called the Park on Fremont. Very good little bar. Nice happy hour. All right. Let's go catch some of that sweet, sweet, sweet degenerate action on Fremont Street. As we all know, there is the Heart Attack Grill, where if you don't finish your meal, the nurses will give you a little spanking. Okay, the plaza. I miss being the mayor, but it's better sleeping with her. Oscar B. Goodman. In case you don't know, Oscar B. Goodman, he was the mayor of Vegas. I guess Vegas, I'll say Vegas. And then he, I guess, finished whatever, and his wife became mayor. Funny man.